Betty the Bluebird. Hello kids, it's an interesting story. I hope you like this story. Betty the Bluebird flies to the zoo. Betty sings to the lion. Betty sings to the elephants. Betty sings to the apes. Betty sings to the zebras. Betty the Bluebird sings to the tigers. Betty sings to the hippos. Betty sings to the beaver. Betty sings to the koalas. Betty sings to the kangaroos. Betty the Bluebird sings to the rabbits. Betty the Bluebird sings to the deer. Betty the Bluebird sings to the hedgehog. Betty the Bluebird sings to the giraffes. Betty the Bluebird sings to the cats. Betty the Bluebird sings to the fish. Betty the Bluebird sings to the dolphins. Betty the Bluebird sings to the owls. Betty the Bluebird sings to the eagles. Betty sits on a tree. Betty sings to all of her new friends. Betty's new friends sings to her too. Bye bye. I hope you like this story. Subscribe for more videos.